Hello there and welcome to a viewing with Crofts. Now today we are viewing 8 Kings Court, which is a first floor over 55s retirement apartment located in the highly regarded Cambridge Park development. Now in the highly regarded Cambridge City. So straight away on entering the property you've got a staircase which is really wide, offering you the choice to pop in a stairlift there, as you can see. So someone has previously had that installed. If it's not wanted, obviously it can be taken away, but staircase wise, brilliantly wide, spacious staircase. Now all the way up to the top there, when we get to the top, each area is running from the hallway. So as you can see, you have your bedroom, which although it says spacious, you can't appreciate it until you obviously are in the property and seeing for yourselves the size of this property. A good size double bedroom there, with plenty of storage put to one side. And then if we nip across of the hallway, you have fabulously sized shower room, the toilet and basin. Now storage wise, when it says about how spacious this property is, once again looking into the storage area, you can see for yourselves how big a walk-in storage area that is. So from the hallway, if I close these doors once again, you can see that it leads from the staircase there, and you have each room coming off. So you've got your bedroom, your bathroom, your storage, and then we're into a beautifully sized, spacious living room. Now the blinds are there at the moment. What I'm going to do is open up the blinds. I've popped on the light, but this is going to give you such a lot of light there. It is a beautiful property. Now the front window overlooks the well-kept gardens, beautifully maintained. And then into the compact kitchen space. Now you are literally within walking distance to the local shops and all the amenities. What a fabulous property this is. Once again, this property is up with Crofts, so if you would like to view this beautifully spacious over 55s property, and it really is well worth viewing, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666, and we look forward to taking you around. Bye bye now.